So here are the codes for the Mometrix. If you're studying for your National Clinical Mental Health Counseling Exam, and actually I'll be presenting with the ACA, American Counseling Association, on the 19th of this month from the New York Association. I'm excited about that. I'll put that information into the description if you want to join. I believe it is free, but I'm very, very excited for this presentation and the opportunity. So, but anyways, happy studying. So here are the multiple choice questions per category corresponding to the code and what you want to study. And these codes, as mentioned earlier, are good until December the 6th. Okay, so you can take it multiple times and just quiz yourself. And keep in mind, it's not remembering the answer option that's correct. It's why is it correct? Okay. So if you have not liked and subscribed, please do so. Support the channel, support others. So happy studying.